Welcome back, guys. This isn't our normal settings. We are in Kincora Harbour today looking at a new project boat. Some of you probably see this one here at the back and thinking, God, this Chris fella is absolutely nuts. It does need a lot of work, but that's not the boat.
Nope.
No, we have decided to go mad. Walk over here. This, guys, is our new project. It doesn't look like much. In fact, I don't even know why I bought it. Look at it. Yeah. Oh, it's going down. We're going down fast. Uh-oh. Right, the plan with this is to get this out of the water. We're going to come back tomorrow. We're due a storm tonight. We're going to come back first thing in the morning with some barrels, a pump and a few other bits, and we're going to try and attempt to get this out of the water. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting. We'll be back in the morning. So right now I'm going to go and warm up, get the pumps that we need, get the barrels that we need, and get everything that we need to get this onto the land. Right, guys, finally here, the day we're going to lift the boat out of the lake. So what we have with us here is the compliments of our friends in Samware and a barrel to go along with those barrels over there. So the plan is to get all this stuff over to the boat and let's get this thing out of the water. Let's back of the boat taking in too much water. The weather's against us. We're getting there. We know what we need to do, but unfortunately it's just taking a little bit longer. and it is not it's not that easy when you have these things going against you. So look, hopefully in the next couple of hours we'll get it lifted out, get it on the trailer that we've parked on the far side of the marina. So fingers crossed guys, all sorts of fingers crossed. Let's get this done. So as we're raising it up, we have water getting in here between the seat and the side, and also here on the back. I'm just going to point right there. So no matter what amount of water we pump out, it's just coming back in again. So the plan is to put a sandbag there and there, and hopefully that will stem the water coming in from the lake and let us use this pump here to get all the water out and get it raised. So yeah, bear with us.
Guys, so the boat is now empty of water. The lads are on the way down the lake. There was no slip or anywhere to take it out, unfortunately. So yeah, I'm about 5 miles down the road just waiting on them come around the corner. So unfortunately we didn't get any footage of them towing it from there. I'm here with the trailer, and yeah, it's an absolute piece of crap, but we were just lucky to get anything at such short notice. So we have a new one ordered and we'll be able to swap it out in a couple of days time. We'll just bring it back, launch it again, get it on a new trailer. So yeah, let's patiently wait for the guys to come round the corner.
This concludes our latest project. I know we have loads of projects on the go now. We've got our 24-foot Stingray, 24-foot Stingray, our budget build, our BMW build. We have another project that me and my partner Tash are working on, which hasn't even gone on video yet. So we've lots to do. Again guys, we are now over the 1,000 subscribers. Thanks to each and every one of you. Look, you can see what we have here. Some people said I was mad even to raise it. I think if I quote one guy on Facebook, he said he wouldn't spend a dime on it, but I'm sure that we will make this a pretty cool project, preferably with a diesel engine. So guys, please like and subscribe for more great content. Peace out.